Welcome back to Product Critique, where today we're diving into a detailed review of the Brother MFC-L3750CDW, also known as the MFC-L3760CDW in Europe. This multifunction printer aims to be a powerhouse for small offices and home setups alike. Let's see if it lives up to the hype. First off, the Brother MFC-L3750CDW is an LED laser printer. Compact yet robust, designed to handle the demands of small to medium-sized businesses. It boasts a suite of features that make it a contender in the multifunction printer market. In terms of design, it's clear Brother aimed for functionality without sacrificing space. The off-white plastic casing feels solid, and the 3.7-inch touchscreen control panel adds a modern touch. Plus, it's equipped with a 250-sheet paper tray and a 50-sheet automatic document feeder, which are essential for productivity. Moving on to features, the MFC-L3750CDW impresses with its ability to print, scan, copy, and fax. It supports USB, Wi-Fi, and Ethernet connectivity, making it versatile for various office setups. You also get AirPrint compatibility and 5 GHz Wi-Fi for seamless wireless printing. Now, let's talk performance. This Brother printer handles simplex printing admirably, offering crisp text and decent color output. However, duplex printing slows down significantly, which might be a consideration if speed is crucial for your workflow. The 1200 by 1200 dpi scan quality is respectable, though it does require manual intervention for duplex scanning. Setting up the MFC-L3750CDW is straightforward, thanks to Brother's intuitive setup guide and the Mobile Connect app for remote operation. The 8.8 cm color touchscreen simplifies on-device operation, making it user-friendly even for those new to office equipment. Let's summarize. The Brother MFC-L3750CDW excels with its compact design, robust feature set, and ease of use. It's ideal for small offices or home environments needing reliable printing and scanning capabilities. However, drawbacks like slower duplex printing and the lack of NFC might influence your decision, depending on your specific needs. Wrapping up, the Brother MFC-L3750CDW, MFC-L3760CDW earns its place as a solid choice for small business printers. It balances functionality and affordability well, making it a worthy investment for those prioritizing reliability and quality. If you're in the market for a versatile multifunction printer, this Brother model deserves serious consideration. That's it for today's review on Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more in-depth product reviews. Until next time, thanks for watching.